I get wet at the thought of you. Being the responsible guy.
You guys got commentary. Sunway Lagoon beach.
I wanted to go here since before I even knew about Malaysia for real. So this is amazing.
We got everything. Please feel.
I'm so excited. Especially last year I was so broke. Trying to go on vacation.
We went to Busch Gardens like 5 times this year.
This is my safe space, not my vacation. I waited for this day all my life.
Wait.
Oh my god.
Post boo-boo. The boo-boo aftermath.
I went up there with a bun.
Offering to do anything, I'm like, oh my god. I get wet at the thought of you. Being the responsible guy. Treating me like you're supposed to do. Tears run down my thighs.
That was kind of fun.
Are you alright? Oh, he's breathing. He's breathing. First of all, he's precious. Now why did that man have that horse outside?
It's freaking expensive, but quality is good.
Why the American get that, but the Malaysian get Burger King?
Look at this guy. Ayo.
He did go to scaredy cat. Oh hell no.
Kind of violent, yeah? That's why the other guy, he's hiding. The awesome wrestling.
No, these guys. They haven't
Oh shit. It's the rich jelly. Look at him. He presses it up. Like that. So you gotta cover the whole. Wow.
Hey, let's look at the what we got here. We already started eating. It's so good. The first time I tried nasi kandar, I did not like it because it was cold, and I was like, ooh, I've been sitting out all day. But the hot one, so good. Now the roti tissue.
Oh, let's give it a little. Yes, the roti tissue.
For comparison.
Comparison.
Yeah. We have a pair of space.
Real space. Got a little bit of wongs here as well. Yep. Maggi goreng. Tandoori. Mee goreng. Yeah.
Everything is so good. I really wanted to try this picture board because everybody's been saying it's good. It is good. The ayam bawang, fire. The squid, Desi.